Hey, what is going on, traders? Praise Mabs here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can analyze the US30 to find some good trades by simply using a custom forex trading indicator, and this indicator is called Fibo Quantum. So make sure you strap up and get ready to listen to what I'm about to share with you today. So anyways, before we get into the video, just make sure that you like and subscribe to this video, to this channel, and make sure that you leave a comment if you've got any questions. And by the end of the video, if you're interested in this trading indicator, there should be a link in the description that will take you to the download page. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into this. Okay. So as you can see right now, this is the H1 chart of the US30. As you can see on the top left there, that's the US30. All right, so this is a very, very powerful trading index to trade. If you are able to master this, you can make quite a substantial amount of profit in the markets, okay? So, like you all know, for you to be successful in trading, you need to be able to anticipate the moves. You need to know when the price is most likely to go up, and you need to know when the price is most likely to go down. Okay, so that's the objective when we're trying to trade. And this indicator that I'm about to show you, it does that. It just does that very good because it shows you the areas in the market right on the chart where you can buy and where you can sell. So it makes it very easy for you to understand and very easy for you to trade. So yeah, so likewise, before we go into that, look at this. This is the US30. This is a clean chart. Okay, just it's different from the default because I changed the colors. Okay, but the default chart will look something like this. Nothing special about it. You just see candlesticks. And for somebody who's new to trading or who's been struggling, this might be kind of difficult for them to actually visualize where the market is going to go. That's why this system comes into play. Let me just flip over to the other chart. So this is the exact same chart, but I've added the indicator to it, the Fibo quantum indicator. Now, this Fibo quantum indicator paints these levels on the chart. As you can see there, it shows you where to buy the market and shows you where to sell the market. Okay, and then if you're buying, it tells you where to put your stop loss, and then it also tells you where to put your take profit levels. Okay, and then if you're selling, it tells you where to put your take profits and your stop losses. Okay, so now, since this thing is a trading indicator, it will give you a lot of signals. Some signals are false signals, so you need to be able to filter out which signals are good for you. So what I like to do is I like to do what I call structural technical analysis, where I add trend lines and support and resistance lines to see if my trading signal is valid. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm just going to do a quick trend line. I'm just going to do a quick trend line just to understand the markets, just to see what's really going on. Let me just change that into a different color. Let me make that yellow so that you guys can see that very, very clearly. Okay, so right now I'm just going to connect these two bottom points there. All right, I'm going to do a trend line just like that at the bottom, and I'm going to do a trend line at the top, like we did last time in the previous video. We're just going to keep it simple. It's not nothing too difficult. You just do this, and then once you've got your structural analysis in place, you can actually see what the market is doing. You can see that the price right now is trading in between a range. You can see there's that bottom trend line and that top trend line there. So what are you anticipating? You're anticipating to trade a breakout. Okay, so now, if this current price, if it comes down and triggers the sell entry down here, that's where you're going to put in a sell trade. You're going to put in a sell trade where it says sell entry, and then you're going to put the respective take profit levels. Okay, so let's say from now on, if the price comes down to this level right here, that 303.08, that's where you're going to put in your sell, and then you're going to put your first take profit at 30126, and then your stop loss is going to be where it says sell stop loss. You see where it says sell stop loss? That's where you're going to put your stop loss, where it says 30487. Okay, that's the selling scenario. So now if you're buying, if the price continues to rise up and triggers this buy entry here, you're going to put in the entry, or you're going to put a buy order where it says 3601. Okay, and then your first take profit is going to be at that level at 30780, and your stop loss is going to be at the 30422. But I'm anticipating a breakout to the downside in my bias, this is what I think is going to happen. I think the market is going to tank. I think it's going to break this level here, and then the price is going to hit this sell entry and go down to the take profits. But either way, all you do is just follow the system, apply your price action and technical analysis, do your trend lines, understand the market, understand what's happening, as you use the system. Use this system as a guide, okay? And then use your technical analysis to be your confirms. Okay, that will save you from a lot of headaches. All right, so it's a very simple indicator to use. There's nothing much to it. It works on MetaTrader 4. It doesn't work on MetaTrader 5. So it supports any broker. So then if you're trading with a particular broker, this can work on that broker. All you have to do is just purchase it from the website. The link is in the description where you can download it, so make sure you click on it, then you can get this for yourself. There's just a one-time fee that you need to pay. It's like $147, very affordable. And then you can just start trading and testing this out and seeing if it works for you, and then seeing how you can tweak it to your own specifications so that you can make the profits or develop your trading skills as you would like to. Okay, so it's a very simple and easy trading indicator. So if you're interested in something like this, there's a link in the description that you can click on that's going to take you to the download page where you can actually get this for yourself and start beta testing it. All right, so well, on my side, that's it for me, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how to analyze the US30 using the system. So it's very easy. If you found this to be helpful, please leave a like. If you have questions about it, just leave a comment, or if you want to add something to it, just leave a comment. And then if you just want to reach out to me for a little bit extra information, just make sure that you reach out to me. My email address is in the description. You can also find me on Instagram. I'm at mabs_trades on Instagram, so you can always reach out to me, and then we can just talk about this system. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope that you gain some value from it. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you in the later videos.